Hello students, today we will study about deflection systems used in CRT. Deflection systems used in CRT. So there are two types of uh, CRTs used. One is a electrostatic deflection type CRT and another is magnetic deflection type CRT. So in a cathode ray oscilloscope, deflection plates are used. Therefore, the uh, electrostatic deflections type CRT is used. So, in a cathode ray oscilloscope, a CRT is used, and in this CRT, two pairs of deflection plates are used: vertical deflection plates and horizontal deflection plates. So, in vertical deflection plates, one pair of deflection plate is used, that is V1 and V2, and in horizontal deflection plates, second pair, that is H1 H2, these plates are used. So uh, here one pair of deflection plate is shown here. These plates are maintained at different potentials, that is these plates are at high positive potentials. Upper plate is at high positive potential and lower plate is at high negative potential. So there is a difference between the potentials, and therefore since there is a difference in potentials, electric lines of force are created between these two plates. So these are the lines of force, electric lines of force. And when an electron beam enters through this field, when an electron beam uh, is enters between these enters in this field, then this beam is deflected towards the positive plates. Okay, because this electron beam is it is deflected towards the positive plate, and then the electron beam then emerges out. The electron beam then emerges out and it travels in a straight line towards point P dash, towards point P dash on the screen. Okay, so here two pairs of deflection plates are used in CRT: vertical deflection plates and horizontal deflection plates. To the vertical, when uh, the vertical deflection plates are used to deflect the electron beam in vertical direction, so that the waveform can be shifted upward or downward on the screen, or the spot can be deflected upward and downward by using these plates. And horizontal deflection plates are used to move the electron beam in horizontal direction. So generally, uh, the input which is to be displayed on the screen, the input signal which is to be displayed on the screen, it is applied to the vertical deflection plates, and sawtooth type voltages are applied. Sawtooth voltages, it is applied to horizontal deflection plates. Okay, and the resultant the direction of the electron beam is can be changed. The direction of the electron beam can be changed by using the combined effect between these two voltages. Okay, due to because horizontal deflection plates are applied, the sawtooth type voltages are applied to horizontal deflection plates, and the input signal, AC signal, it is which is to be displayed on the screen, it is applied to vertical deflection plates. Therefore, there will be a change in direction of electron beam, and this change in direction is the effect of the combined effect of the applied voltages of these two plates. Okay. Now second type is a magnetic type deflection. So whenever it is inconvenient or when it is impossible to produce electrostatic deflection voltages, whenever it is impossible or inconvenient to produce electrostatic deflection voltages, then this method is used. So in this method, two pairs of coils, two set of coils are placed around the neck of the tube. So such type of CRT is used in TV receivers. So in TV receivers, there are two deflection coils, vertical deflection coil and horizontal deflection coils are. These coils are placed around the neck of the tube, and uh, that is V1, V2 and H1, H2, and the electron beam is deflected around the it is deflected on the screen. uh, the video signal is applied to the coil uh, vertical coils, and the amount of deflection depends upon the ampere turns of the coil. Ampere turns of the coil, the amount of deflection, it depends upon the ampere turns of the coil. Two pairs of deflection coils are used, and first pair is a vertical deflection coil and second pair is horizontal deflection coil. Such type of CRT, that is magnetic type, it is used in TV receivers and in radar system. Okay. Now what is meant by deflection sensitivity? So deflection sensitivity S is equal to D upon ED, where D is the amount of deflection on the screen, amount of deflection on the, or distance of the deflection on the screen, and ED is the deflection voltages. So the deflection sensitivity is defined as deflection sensitivity S. It is defined as the amount of deflection of the amount of deflection of electron beam per unit volt or per volt, amount of deflection of electron beam on the screen per volt. It is called as deflection sensitivity. Okay, so we will stop here.